We are going to place a testing order from our vendor. So here I can see we have two type of order. The one is normal and the another is schedule order. So whatever we want to choose, we can choose. So I put a normal item in the cart, and now here I can see I have option for takeaway, coupons, and if I want to give special instruction to anybody like the home chef, here I will select the address, and I can choose the option if I want cash on delivery or the online. I choose cash on delivery, and the order will be placed, and the bell will be start ringing to the vendor. So let's come to the vendor application. Vendor application is the application which is handled by the home chef or the housewife, you can say. So here we can see our daily orders. The orders are delivered and today's earning as well. And here if we goes in the setting, you can see there is wallet history as well, like how much I earned today or from the last order. So everything is already in the application. When it comes to bank detail, like what the detail I have put in my account, everything is here. You can check your order history, how many orders are already delivered and all. So everything we have in the application. We have even a complaints model as well. I had a notification that you have an order, so I will go to pending order, and here I go. So the vendor can see he or she have any item name and how many quantity she have. So what will be happen in the next, he or she will accept the order, and the same time delivery bell will be start ringing in the delivery application. And as I can see in the delivery application, I have a order request. So whenever the order is ready, he or she will go in the accepted order, and she will prepare the order prepared. So he accept the order. He have accepted the order, and now the order is in the active orders. So here we can see we will go in the order section, and here as I can see my order is preparing, but as I know the order is already assigned with any rider. So you can see there is driver number also. I can directly call to the driver, and also we have the tracking feature. We have tracking feature for the customer. He can track the whole order via application. So he can go to the vendor location. There is a map also, like he can track where he or she have to go visit. Also he can directly redirect this map to the Google map. So he will reach to the location, and after that he will have to pick the order. So if the order is ready from the vendor application, then only delivery boy can pick the order. So the order is already prepared by the home chef, so delivery boy is able to pick the order. So now he will just need to go to the customer location, and he will give the order. So the order was delivered from the delivery boy, so that's why now we can track the order. And if we goes in the order section, here we can see the last order is already delivered. And also we got a notification last time a 2-minute ago, whenever the delivery boy was press the delivered button. So we made a strong product for the customer where he can track the order from start to the end.